Are you looking for ways to slash in half the amount of time it takes you to organize your content ideas? I'm going to show you how I use Jasper AI to create spreadsheets for all of my ideas. So let's do this. I'm using Jasper Chat for this, and we're going to go down here, and first and foremost, I'm going to ask Jasper to do a little research for me. But the thing that sets Jasper apart is I have include Google search data down here, and I'm going to click on that. So we're going to ask Jasper to do a little content research. List the top 10 questions people have about the Amazon influencer program. Answer those questions, then create a viral video hook. Now I want to organize this further, so we're going to say take the information above and create a form with the column 1 being the question, column 2 being the answer, and column 4 being the hook. Here we have our form. Let me just copy this real quick. We are going to go open a Google spreadsheet, and I'm going to paste this in. There we go. Never run out of ideas again for your TikToks, your Reels, and your other short videos.